first major component of our design is our 3D printed polypropylene shell, which is completely waterproof as soon as it comes off the printer. And we use screws to clamp down on a gasket, which really makes it completely sealed. And the two halves screw together, which acts as a backup mechanism just in case the screws fail or they get loose because of how long they're in the water. We really want to make sure that the electronics have the greatest possibility of staying dry so we can get maximal data effectiveness.
This is our GPS system. If you look closely, this is the antenna that will transmit data from satellites into the GPS module that transmits it to the Arduino Uno R3, which then sends it through our code and debugs it and gives values such as the timestamp, the speed, the longitude and latitude, and the altitude of our devices, which you can see on the screen next to me. And these values are then put into a 3D software, which we'll show you later.
So this is our 3D software that we designed to take the points that we get from the shell and turn them into a visual representation so that they can be compared to a valley line and kind of see the speed and the width of the flood by the color coding and the relative position. And to wrap it up, we took all the parts of our project, we put them all together, and we took it to the American Tobacco campus to test it and make sure that it all works. So enjoy.